Oh, shit. I just cut my fingernail.
You cut your fingernail
I
with the
just cut the
scissors?
corner off my fingernail.
Lord.
That is crazy. Don't do that. Yep, swing it, swirl it. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Waiting on this.
You been waiting on this?
I'm waiting on this.
I bet. Got me in here on Memorial Day. So you can be together for school tomorrow.
Then I'm gonna be together.
Oh my God.
That's kind of weird.
Weird?
Yeah.
Okay, so I did the 3 bottom ones in there. Remember I said she wanted bigger parts with a little skinny braid. Don't ask me why. But I put them in like a knotless braid. You see how thick this hair is? I didn't put no curly pieces in the bottom row, but I'm gonna put it in this row. Because usually I don't put them in the bottom row. Sometimes them ones rub up against your neck so much or rub against your clothes so much, they tangle first. So I didn't. Thicker hair, thicker hair.
Why?
Thicker hair. Hey, you made these pieces kind of small. You weren't playing when you said you wanted something smaller twist. Okay, so I just braid in there. Take this piece.
Kept saying it was looking big.
I'm gonna split it. Oh, I forgot about the curly piece. Huh? I forgot. Cut this off of a bundle.
Maya, I'm about to make her look like you.
Please don't, because I feel like you finna do something real shady over there. Don't even do it.
Twist that in a couple times and I'm gonna pull this piece right on up out of here. Tuck that away. And keep it moving. And I'm gonna put another piece of curly hair in there too. I ain't gonna put 2 in every piece cause I'm just not. And I'm just gonna twist this down to the end. I'm gonna take the scissors and cut off these little blunt pieces from the end of that bundle hair. Oh shit. I just cut my fingernail.
You cut your fingernail
I
with the
just cut the
scissors?
corner off my fingernail.
Lord.
That is crazy. Don't do
How
that.
can you just cut your fingernail with the scissors?
I was clipping this. Well, better my, I didn't know these sharper than I thought. But better my fingernail than the finger. I just cut the corner off of my fingernail.
Oh my God.
Dang, that's crazy. I ain't never did that. First time for everything. That's the scissors. Bro, I am not, did you just call me slow?
Let me see. Let me see your fingers.
Just call me slow?
Let me see your fingers.
Why you just call me slow?
Look
Hold
at
on,
here.
hold on. A new album or something? Why do you keep asking me to turn on Erykah
I
Badu?
like that song.
I don't even know what the song is you talking about. Hey, don't cut that damn song on my video.
Copyright
Copyright, copyright, copyright. Everything be damn copyright. Everything, order 10. Everything, order 10.
No, because I had to substitute. He was a white man, and he kept playing Erykah Badu.
And he was safe music. Remember I talked about safe music?
No, because honestly think he was in love with that lady. Because he put on the live acoustic version.
Everybody likes the live acoustic version of Erykah Badu songs.
No, he turned on the 50-minute version. Turned on the 50-minute version where she would sung like 5, 6 songs on there, and he just kept putting on Erykah Badu song after Erykah Badu song after Erykah Badu song after the live acoustic version. He turned it on midway and then just turned on another song and then turned that on midway to turn on another song. I don't know.
I can't believe I kept the F in my fingernail.
Yeah, that's actually insane.
That is.
And then no, because somebody was like, "You're a real ghetto" or something. He was like, "Hey, there's nothing wrong with being ghetto. My whole neighborhood is ghetto."
Oh, shit. All right, get my popcorn for this story. And what else he said?
No, because then he was telling us the area. My friend was like, "Oh, I know that area. That is ghetto. You are ghetto." He lived in like some apartment complex. I forgot, but it's like
a project.
kind of a little bit. Let me try to remember. I don't remember, but
That's crazy.
but it was it was a little ghetto.
You say he was white?
Yeah, he was.
You say he was ghetto?
He said there's nothing wrong with being ghetto. My whole neighborhood is ghetto.
Like now or when he was younger?
Now. Yeah.
Yeah,
His name is JR. That's what he tells us to call
That's what y'all call the teacher?
Yes, he said my name. You guys can call me JR. That's
Not
what he
Mr.
said.
JR?
No, he just said you guys can call me JR. And his
He
name
is
is
ghetto.
actually like James something. James R something. That's his name. Or something like that. But he'd be like, you guys can just call me JR. He real cool, real chill. You can tell he got black
One of
friends.
the people in my class are named James.
Who's gonna child? You gonna child?
I'm serious.
Is somebody in your class named James?
Mine is James Holmes.
James Holmes?
And his last
It's
name is
James or
Love.
John. Something like that. No, it ain't John. It's different than John. James.
His last name is Loves? That's cool.
Oh, I have the vice principal, the assistant principal. Her name is Dean Love. That's her name.
Like her first name, Dean?
No.
Or she the Dean?
She the dean.
Oh.
Well, no. She's not the dean. She's the assistant principal. I forgot because we was calling her Dean Love, and I was AP Love. She want that new title.
Oh, assistant principal.
Yeah.
Y'all call her AP Love?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And then there's this man. I don't know what he do. He the director or something. His name is Mr. Lovelady. Lovelady. That's all it's spelled. Mr. Lovelady.
He made that up. You was not born with that name. Where you get that last name from?
Oh, I wanted to ask.
That's your daddy last name? No. Your daddy was the little. Your mama was the little lady. Your daddy last name? It's popcorn. It was simply. Oh, that's not
I
simply.
say
That's
skinny.
skinny pop.
Skinny Pop. Because it's gluten free.
It's skinny for real.
Skinny.
Yeah, like they messed all this shit on it. Like, where's the y'all see my t-shirt? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I got it on my it's strawberry wine.
Do you even drink Tennessee whiskey?
I do not drink no damn whiskey.
That's just my point.
Why you over there? Smooth as strawberry wine.
I like country twang.
Country
Smooth
twang.
as strawberry wine.
Strawberry wine. Sing it, G.
Smooth as strawberry wine.
Smooth as a strawberry wine. It's so thick. Why do you want these natural braids with beads on them or something? What happened to that yesterday?
Because I just can't.
You just can't what?
Maybe next time.
Mm.
The natural life is just. It ain't it.
So she want her braids a little bit longer. This 52-inch hair. So what I do instead of putting it in the middle, I stagger it and put it in like that and just stretch it out a little bit. Yeah, stagger it. It's not in the middle.
Mama,
Like I
I'm
stagger the
gonna make
pieces
this
and I put them in.
Mama, I'm gonna make this into data.
What happened to you making me? You ain't never showed me that.
I thought, did you make Maya?
All right.
Marketing.
What game you on?
Hair color.
What is it?
Do you read this?
You read it.
I can't.
Try it.
Okay, it's 8A.
I said try to read it. I didn't say spell it.
HALRSALON.
Hair salon. Because she said HALR, but it shows the I.
Oh, it's an I. I'm like HALR. I thought I had a slow moment for a minute.
Bag lady.
Why do you keep singing Bag Lady? What is Eric about? That song came out probably before you were born.
And he was playing that song when he was substituting and singing it.
Bag Lady.
Yeah, he was playing one of them songs. He
Okay,
was
I'm
playing
about to
Bag
make
Lady.
Maya. I'm about to
And
make
what's
Maya.
the other song he was playing? I forgot. But them two
I'm about to make you, okay? You're gonna look just like you about to look.
How I'm about to look or how I look right now?
Just like you about to look when your hair get done, probably.
You're gonna have some of that, the curly.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
she gonna have some of these curly.
Look at this. Why is this wavy like this?
What wavy?
The shaving cream will help your hair grow.
Shut up. That little patch of heat damage is here.
Anybody ask you to say all of that? Like,
You talking about wavy. That's
it is
heat
a little
damage,
big.
bro.
Like, why is it a little wavy right there? I ain't put nothing.
Cause you,
Okay, I know it's heat
cause
damage.
you was probably sweating walking through stuff.
It's not sweating. It wasn't that hot.
Y'all was complaining it was?
It's because you had me standing outside the building in the sun.
Maya, for 2 seconds.
All right.
Y'all lazy.
I said it wasn't that hot.
I know. Enjoy this warm weather. We've been sitting here up and down on the freezer.
I wish I could wear shorts to school. I don't want to wear
Y'all can't wear
pants.
y'all can't wear them shorts like you got on.
We can't wear no shorts. Like, but people be wearing dresses above their
You
knees.
can wear a dress or a skirt.
Right. But you can't wear no shorts. That's dumb.
Because y'all be taking stuff too far. Gonna be in there with them don't-a-doms on.
With them biker shorts?
No, those and some Daisy Dukes.
What is Daisy doing?
Y'all gonna be in there with
What
some
is
Daisy
them?
Dukes.
Is them
on.
drawers?
Look at them girls with Daisy Dukes on. I want you to.
Is them
Look at
drawers?
girls with Daisy Dukes on. Everybody. No, they booty shorts. They shorts that the booty cut be like, booty meat be hanging out. Them Daisy Dukes.
Oh, I thought that was drawers.
Daisy Dukes?
Yes.
No, the song. Look at them girls with
I
Daisy
ain't never
Dukes
heard that
on.
song.
I want you to. Look at them girls with Daisy
We're
Dukes
singing
on.
it like that's what I remember.
Everybody.
I never heard that song.
I bring that funky trip back. I get it, baby. Oh, kick them daisies. Mr. Winkle. Kick them daisies.
You're gonna get copyrighted. Stop singing.
Oh, kick them daisies.
Anyways,
Mr. Winkle Winkle.
what's that?
Daisy Deuce. I don't know, that's what he said in the song. Come on, baby, kick them daisies. He said, look at that girl with the Daisy Deuce on, and she had on booty shorts. In the video or something like that. Daisy Deuce. That's what I'm saying, though. Y'all will take it too far, and that's what they'll be wearing.
All right, people
Y'all-
wearing mini skirts in
Y'all
there.
don't supposed to wear biker shorts. Y'all will be wearing biker shorts and everything. So they like just kill all of that extra drama. We just ain't gonna do none of that. Maya, you just got some twists like Kayla because your hair thick like that. Your twist would be the cute puffy twist because you got the thick hair.
I know they would, and I thought about it, but like,
I'm about to make
I just couldn't do it.
Why?
Cause my hair gonna be short. It's not even gonna be to my shoulders, and I can't.
It's gonna be cute though.
That's why if I had long hair, I probably would think about getting some locks. Cause I wouldn't have to go through that whole ugly starter phase where my locks look like sprinkles.
So you just talking about mirror right now.
Oh, I told her that. I told her that she okay though.
She okay with you talking about it, or with her locks looking like sprinkles?
Both.
Dang, that's like a friend. Shoot.
No, but I told her they look cute now. The start was a little rough, and I told her that. But they look okay now.
Oh, kick them daisies.
Cause they starting to lock for real.
Oh, Daisy Dukes on.
She think her hair not growing though,
Don't do it.
and it's kind of not, but it is though.
No, you
It ain't been that long though since she got her retwist.
I was just about to say, they ain't even been in there that long.
She's just dramatic though, cause it ain't been that long since she got that last retwist. She just got one for her birthday.
You
Her
try
birthday
to,
is
I'm supposed
this
to be, I'm
weekend.
gonna tag her. I'm like, make sure you watch it all the way through over here so you see what type of friends you got.
No, listen, cause I
No, listen. Make sure you watch it all the way through. Oh, kick them daisies.
Man, that's enough of that.
You was hating. I bet you be looking for it. Just Googling it later
Not
on
gonna
today,
be-
trying to listen to it. You're gonna be in your room like,
I'm gonna
this-
Google
this-
the Daisy Dukes.
Yes, you are. I know
Put
you
it
are.
away.
I'm like, what is that music I hear coming out of my room? Maya! You better not be in no Daisy Duke song. Oh shit, Jimmy gonna be one Google it. Oh, Maya, I'm giving you a headache.
No,
That's stress, huh?
no, my eyebrow hurt.
I think you got some skin glass in
You're not picking me up from
there.
school.
Did you say your eyebrow hurt?
Yes. Like under it.
Like your eyebrow?
Yeah, something like that.
Like you don't got a headache, your eyebrow hurt.
Yeah, like a
Like
little
you got 'em
spot under
waxed.
my eyebrow. Like under my eyebrow.
Like you got them waxed?
I don't want to do that. That sounds like that hurt. I don't want to scare you.
But it works.
You know, I want to decide my nose pierced.
Both sides?
Yeah.
Wow.
She's like, why you want to be symmetrical? I'm like,
No, not symmetrical.
I just want both.
No. That person is already a nut.
But it's gonna be cute. I'm gonna be
That's
cute.
cool.
I'm gonna be cute. Says me. I'm gonna be cute with both of my sides of my nose pierced.
No.
Why you saying no?
Because you're 15.
Okay, I didn't say it right now. I mean, I do want it right now, but I can wait.
I'm like,
But I can wait.
I do put that in too low.
All right, how about 16?
Girl, don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. We're not even about to do this right now. This ain't even what we're about to do.
16, 17.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this on up. Boom, boom. And then I'm gonna be back to show y'all the finish.
But it's kind of getting late.
It ain't getting late. I'm trying to hurry up, bro.